In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track inventory in Zoho Books. Tracking your inventory effectively is crucial for maintaining the balance between supply and demand, as well as ensuring your business operates smoothly. With Zoho Books, you have a powerful tool at your disposal that can automate much of this process. Let's walk through how you can use Zoho Books to keep a close eye on your inventory levels through various transactions, like sales orders, invoices, and purchase orders. Now, the first thing you need to do before Zoho Books can track your inventory is to enable inventory tracking and configure your items. Once you've done this, the system will automatically update your inventory levels each time there's a transaction, whether it's a sale, a purchase, or any other form of stock movement. This automation helps you minimize manual tracking and reduces the chances for errors that could disrupt your operations. After enabling these settings, the next step is to monitor your inventory status. To do this, you'll navigate to the Items section within Zoho Books. Here, you're presented with a comprehensive overview of your inventory, where you can monitor specific metrics that are vital for making informed decisions. First, you'll see the stock on hand. This represents the total quantity of an item that you currently have available in your inventory. Keeping an eye on this number helps ensure you have enough products ready to meet any immediate demand or upcoming sales. Next, you'll encounter a section labeled Committed Stock. This figure reflects the quantity of an item that is reserved specifically for open sales orders. In essence, these are items that, while still physically in your inventory, have already been promised to customers. By tracking your committed stock, you can manage your expectations around what is actually available for sale and when fresh inventory orders might be necessary. Finally, and very importantly, is the available for sale number. This is the portion of your stock that's readily available for new sales orders. Essentially, it's your current stock on hand minus your committed stock. This number is critical, especially if you want to prevent promising more to customers than you can deliver. It enables you to manage your stock levels proactively, ensuring that you can fulfill every new order without delay or disappointment. Throughout this process, Zoho Books provides an intuitive interface that allows you to keep these inventory levels visible and understandable. By maintaining up-to-date inventory insights, you'll find you can make faster, better business decisions to respond to market demands, preventing unforeseen shortages or overstock situations. With these tools and this knowledge, you're fully equipped to handle your inventory tracking needs within Zoho Books, streamlining your operations and enhancing your business's overall performance.